You all right, Mama? So this cow, we were back checking the herd today, and we noticed her back right foot is swollen a little bit, leg. So Chris walked her about a mile, and then she gets almost to the chute, and we like to never got her in here, but she's getting 2 shots. Been hard.
So we brought this cow in because her foot is swollen. She's evidently stepped on something in the pond. You can see right here compared to the other one. All this is swollen in here, so I'm sure it's cut up inside here. There ain't much you can do about it, clean it out and all that, but I don't have that. So I got 2 different medicines. One's Microcin, which is an antibiotic, and this is Banamine, which is good for swelling because she obviously is starting an infection.
I know, you just got shot Saturday. You don't want any more, do you? Ugh, there's slobber all over me.
I don't want it coming out.
You're okay, Mama.
Then we're going to bring her up front, put her with these heifers. That way I can watch her, and if she's got to come back in, that ain't no big deal.
That's nice.
What happened?
She gave me a slobber bath, all in my hair. Yeah.
I got medicine pushing out here. Or blood. Coming backwards. Got a new home, new friend.
And then there were 11. Come this way. Way over here. Way back. They're a little crooked, but we can fix it. He can fix it. The trouble is with that tractor, all he's got is a fork on the back, and it's hard to load hay on the wagon backwards. So that's why I'm here. Up. almost looks like this one sits on the wheel, but it's got plenty of room. It just hangs a little bit. That's okay. This one definitely, he's gonna have to reset for sure. So he bought this hay. It's a bale wagon. He bought this earlier this year, and it is amazing. He wants to get another one and completely get rid of the gooseneck for hauling hay. So if you don't have a bale wagon, they're a little expensive, but if you can find one like he did here, this one's used, but it's amazing. Come way over. Down. You're good. Bring it out a little bit. All right, put it down. What? Put down. Back. Yeah. So, in case y'all didn't know, Chris has been feeding hay out since the first part of July. So we're just feeding. We got everybody separated, the heifers up front, everybody else is around back here. So he's getting ready to put out another roll, and we're gonna put it back here. Look at him.
He's gonna be something to take to the ground now.
Mamas have started their nursery with the 2 babies that we have. Hey buddy, you wanna come over here and get your tag? Come on. Just walk up here. He's like, no, I'll go see my mom. My mom will get you. So what do you get when you have a yellow cow and a black bull? You get a gray calf. Here. I don't know, but I wish you'd hurry up. She is not happy. Can you see what it is? She's beautiful. You did a good job, Mama.
Big calf.
She is big. That's a big placenta too. She's already nursed.
This cow here's got a bad foot, but I don't know what's wrong with it because there's no swelling, but she's really lame in it. So we're gonna get her in the chute and lift it up and look at it, or the head gate on this side of the farm, and then see what to do with it after that. Mindy's getting her steps in. How's those steps, honey? Oh, I forgot to tell you, oh, it's raining too. Yeah, like I said, it's starting to rain. She got mad at me, well, not mad, but she says, why are you wearing your hat? And I said, it's raining.
Yeah, he's wearing his hat and I'm walking.
And let the viewers know that you even asked me why I'm wearing my hat.
Yeah, and I'm walking.
And I told her rain.
So some of the cows here on the farm have names, and this is Cindy Lou Who. As you can tell by her hair on top of her head. Anyway, she was laying at the very back of the field pasture. Well, you all saw that earlier. Chris is going to try to get her foot up. We're going to try to see what's going on back there. Hold it and hold her.
Right here.
Get too close to her. Of course, there's no swelling, is there? Wish I could talk. Make it so much easier.
Better than no soccer place, isn't it? Come over here, I'll do the other one.
She don't kick the crap out of all of us.
Plenty of milk.
Uh-oh, she's bleeding. You went back too far. Got her back too far. You got it. There you go. You got that corner.
This is the corner I want.
You went.
We should have did this in the barn.
Oh, that's gonna be deep. That's deep, honey. There you go.
I had no idea what to do.
So tell us why you trim their toes.
Oh, well, her toes are coming together like that, rubbing. I don't think that's what's causing her problem.
She's thirsty. She's foaming. It's only in the upper 70s today and drizzly, but she's pregnant, so she's hot. Do you not want to give her a shot?
I got
Maybe an antibiotic? I don't know. Probably wouldn't hurt since you cut her.
We brought the Banamine or no?
I don't think you did,
we did.
because you said there's no swelling.
Yeah, that'll help her with her pain though. I'll have to go get it if it ain't in here. You can feed her and give her more treats.
She's foaming at the mouth. I'm sure she's thirsty. Oh, you did? Good. Good. It's all right, Cindy Lou. We're almost done, honey.
I've bent her ankle. I had my finger up between her toes.
What you giving her?
I'm gonna give her Banamine, so for pain. She probably weighs 1,500 pounds, so she's gonna get a lot.
So everything you're giving her today is safe for the baby too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just trying to
She's
help our viewers here understand.
4 or 5 months pregnant.
She's still pregnant though. That's good for fever too, isn't it? Banamine?
Yeah, if she had any.
Cindy, you're such a good girl. You didn't want to go in the chute, but you're still a good girl. None of them want to go in the chute. It's all right, honey. You're going to stay up front with the heifers. That'll make 14 up here now. Pretty soon everybody will be up here.
I'll go ahead and give her an antibiotic.
Might as well, yeah. I mean, you did trim that toe back a little far. The antibiotic probably wouldn't hurt. So Chris decided to go ahead and give her antibiotic. She's getting LA 300.
I did that because I don't know if it's hoof rot or not. If you can catch it early, it would get it. But if it gets bad, it takes a lot to treat it to bring it back. Otherwise, I wouldn't give her no one. We're going to keep her close too.
It's all right, Cindy. She's been standing here a while. She's ready to get out and get a drink. There's the fan club. Donkey 1, Donkey 2. Donkey 3 soon to come.
Here, doing ish.
He probably saw us up here.
Yeah, he gassed it.
He actually slowed down. He'll call you in about 2 hours. You need help? Just kidding, Ish. He helps us a lot, don't he?
Yeah,
Him and old Kelsey.
Well, girl, I don't know what else to do. It's all up to you now.
She too thick? There we go. Come on, Cindy. Oh. Golly, she's so big. She's trying. Sore, ain't it, girl? Sore. Here. Want some more? There you go. Give her a bunch of treats, and then she'll go drink water, which is right there. And she's going to stay up front here close to the chute where
The support team back there.
if we need to do anything, she's up here with the heifers.
They're in the visitation room waiting.
I said it's a
The support
donkey 1 and donkey 2.